Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So we are working on the BMW E46 touring project then, and in this video I kind of just want to put a few things right that was wrong with the car when I bought it. So you know, just a few little minor things that really shouldn't take too long at all to put right. So yeah, shortly after I bought the car, I noted down what I needed to order. I ordered a whole bunch of parts, and in this video I'm basically just going to be installing them. So without further ado, we'll get outside and yeah, let's get cracking. The first thing I want to swap out then is this engine cover. As you can see, it's very oily. You know, some of these stains are really ingrained into the plastic, and the BMW badge is pretty much non-existent. So rather than trying to clean this up and replace the badge, it's much better just putting a you know, a good second-hand one in. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So all I need to do then is just remove this one, slide it out, and then in with the new one. And as you can see, this one's in much better condition. And we have some new push clips to secure this in place. And there we go then. That's the front engine cover replaced. Much better. The next thing I'm going to replace then is the wing mirror. Now, ever since I bought the car, this was loose. I believe the clips have snapped on it, so it's beyond repair really. Now, obviously I don't need to replace the entire wing mirror, but I am going to, simply due to the fact that this one is pretty worn compared to our new replacement, and the glass itself actually has some stains in it as well. So we're actually going to swap out the entire unit. The next thing I'm going to replace then is the wing mirror. Now, ever since I bought the car, this was loose. I believe the clips have snapped on it, so it's beyond repair really. Now, obviously I don't need to replace the entire wing mirror, but I am going to, simply due to the fact that this one is pretty worn compared to our new replacement, and the glass itself actually has some stains in it as well. So we're actually going to swap out the entire unit. Yep, so there is just 3 bolts, one there, and then one there. Now, to remove this trim piece here at the side of the door card, there is just these 2 clips. If you prise them out, you can then remove this, and then you'll have access to the bolts. And I just realised we actually have tweeters in this car, which is nice. So the bolts are T30 then. Like I said, there is 3 of them. Don't want to drop that bolt down the door card, because that would not be fun. So I didn't think we had to remove the door card, but to unplug this, it looks like we are going to have to. Okay, so we done it. We got the wing mirror off, and yeah, you definitely have to remove the door card, because you have to get behind this shield here, and then the mirror connects in there. Okay, so we have our new wing mirror in place. Just got the heated mirrors on. Just want to make sure it works before I go ahead and put all this back. And yeah, I can feel it getting warm already, which is good. So now all I need to do is start putting all of this back. There we are then, everything put back together. New wing mirror on, it's another thing done. Just needs a good clean now. The next thing that needs replacing then is this weather strip. Now, it's exactly the same on both sides, only on the front doors though. As you can see, it's kind of like bubbled up. I don't know why that is, or you know what makes it happen, but yeah, if you take a look and see inside, I think this has got mold and whatever else inside of this weather strip. So yeah, this needs to be replaced, because it's expanded. It's actually not making a tight seal, so you are getting water down into the door. So let's remove this then. It comes up fairly easy. That's one side removed, and like I said, exactly the same on the other side as well. So we go ahead and remove this side. There we are. Yeah, I really don't know why this happens. I guess water just gets in there and mould starts to form, and yeah, it just starts to swell up like that. I will give this all a good clean, of course, before we put our new weather strips in. We'll give the wing mirror a clean as well. And now that we've gave this area a good clean, also, like I said, clean the wing mirror as well, it's time to install our replacement strips. As you can see, this one doesn't have all that bubbling up on this side, so yeah, much better condition, this one. So if we go ahead and slide this into position. Much better. And as we can see, the exact same on the other side as well. The final thing then is actually on the interior. It is a sun visor. If we take a look on the inside, you can see we are actually missing one. That's because I'm guessing at some point it got snapped off. So we have a replacement here. It is the correct colour, just needs a good clean. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and unscrew that fitting there and get this thing installed. Should be a nice easy job, this one. Just 2 Phillips screws holding the fixing in place. There we are. It is actually still plugged in. So I'm just going to disconnect this. We are. Go ahead and plug the new one in. Just make sure the light works. Have had the key in the ignition. Okay. Why does that still not work? Well, plugged in. Maybe we just have a faulty bulb. We'll check the bulb out. This may be why our light is not turning on. The bulb's been removed. I'm guessing what's happened is whoever's broke this off broke it in the open position, so the light was staying on all the time. Then I guess they just figured they may as well just remove the bulb so the light's not on all the time. That's not a hard fix though. We'll just get a new bulb to go in there. I'll probably actually at some point do a full LED retrofit anyway, just so we have, you know, bright LEDs, because these halogen bulbs are pretty shocking. But yeah, we know what the issue is with that then. So I went ahead and gave the sun visor a quick clean. Much better now. Interior is really starting to get there now. And with that done, that is our final job for the day done. Okay then, so there we go. Those few little bits that we have installed today, in my opinion, have made a massive difference. We are getting close to completion with this car. Looks wise now, you know, there isn't too much left that I want to do in it. Yeah, it's really starting to come together now, in my opinion. It's crazy to think that we only bought the car for £250. I think it's definitely worth a whole lot more than that now, especially, you know, if we get it up and running and yeah, you know, get the car mechanically sound. So obviously there is a few little issues regarding to the mechanical side of things that I want to correct. But yeah, in terms of the looks, you know, it's looking so much better now. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please remember to give this video a like, leave a comment down below, subscribe if you have not already done so, and I will see you all in that next one. Peace!